Oh shoot, why can we hold up? I gotta fix the screen capture. Let's go for where's it? 1 second. Alright, there we go. Oh, hold up. Still gotta get that fixed up. Oh no, don't sell off. Don't do that. Hold up. Alright, we're getting it figured out. It's gonna be alright. Let's get that going a little bit. Just a little bit more. Alright. Dang. Trying to hit that quick sell off. Skittles, good morning. Dr. JD Voice, good morning. Alright, hold up. Yo, my monitor is currently tweaking out. Let me see. Y'all work with me, work with me. All right, all right. I think we are good. All right. Do we think the market is closing green or red? Mahishu, good morning. Yoko's Lair, good morning. Mithra Lunis, good morning. Philip, good morning. So that SoFi call should be up this morning. Looking good there. Now I'm kind of wishing I held my SPY and QQQ calls as well. But hey, it's all good. Gas Session Media, good morning. All right, so I kind of want to put some things into perspective for y'all just for this week and let y'all know. This week it's going to be a shortened week. We got Thursday, the market's closed due to Thanksgiving. So early, happy Thanksgiving to y'all, family. Hello. MSH, good morning, good morning. Yeah, once again, early happy Thanksgiving to y'all. This week is also Black Friday is also a half day, so be aware of that. And then this week is going to be not a shortened week, but well, it is going to be a shortened week, but the volume is also going to be a lot lower this week. So one thing that typically happens with stocks on weeks like this are, you'll see like a slow melt up. So that's something to look out for. Andy, good morning. One thing I'm kind of looking for a pullback. I would like to see one on Nvidia. I would love to see one back to like 137, and I would like to just buy a call or something to ride. Palantir is going on to make new highs. See how SoFi is doing. So as of right now, up 43% on that SoFi call. But right now, I'm really just trying to find stuff and pick something to just go along for the ride this week. See, IWM's kind of moving already. Here, I'm gonna go down to a 5-minute for everything. Yo, PayPal is, I think it's back at its high for the year. I think it might be break even on the year. PayPal's kind of been on a ride. Let's see. Oh, never mind. Oh, I don't know what chart I was looking at. Never mind. PayPal on the year. It's up 45% on the year. Quick question regarding TradingView. Do you also purchase? Oh no, I don't purchase the real-time data add-on. I do not do that. I just got the premium. So now I have like unlimited alerts because sometimes my alerts stop out and then I don't have any issues about I don't have any issues when it comes to what is it? Like my indicators, and then also now instead of just two screens, I don't know how many screens I might be able to look. It lets me do like this is like 6. Thanks. Think it lets me do like 8, but actually it might let me. All right, so yeah, the most it lets me do is like 8 for me, but that was good enough for me. Yeah. If you're doing anything higher than the essentials plan, though, it definitely makes sense to just go ahead and here. Let me put that back down. Definitely makes sense to just go ahead and what was I gonna say? Get the premium, because I think it was like a legit $1 more for the year. Give me 1 second. Oh, I'm gonna have to change that real quick. I'm gonna get on here and look at see if Derive has anything interesting on there. See if they have any good, interesting options contracts. I'm thinking about a call on the SPY. All right. Morrow's Garage, great day on the market. Hey, good morning. Good morning. All right, so let's see. SoFi call, what is... Interesting. Interested to see how Coinbase is doing real quick. Oh, it's not down that bad. I'm just gonna add it to my watch list. I'm still trying to test out this screener on Derive just to see how I feel about it. There's some things I'm not fully like I just don't fully understand, so I need to play around with it more. But one that I see that I'm about to play around with is it's a 242.5 put. I'm not buying it, I'm just adding it to the watch list. Derek, good morning. He said nice gains. Yeah, Palantir went off. That was a nice little gap up. Yeah, Palantir had that gap up. It broke kind of the level, but now it's kind of back down. I'm trying to wait and I want to go back to a 15. I'm trying to wait and see if there's like a good little dip this morning or see if we come in and fill the gap. I think I would like to buy upside if we do anything like that. I'm not going to pay too close attention to SoFi right now, but we are in that. I kind of want upside on the SPY, but I also don't want to rush. Like, I want to see if we can close the gap. Like, I would love to see a gap fill at some point today. That way I can grab a call, because we usually just slowly melt up on the week. Did I grab any? So I haven't bought anything today. I just, but I am in a call on SoFi. It's a $16 call. I think it might expire this week. Let me see. I grabbed it on Friday though, so we're already up. Yeah, so it expires Friday. We're up like 28% on that contract. That's SoFi call. How do you say your name? Funke? Funke? Good morning. Yeah, feel free to correct me, but yeah, good morning. Derive saying anything? Not necessarily. Not that I see. I'm Yeah, nothing yet. One thing I see that's interesting. I see a short. It's targeting a 10% move down in 3 days. So I'm kind of, I don't know. I'm watching it, but we'll have to see. Good morning. Are you going to? I don't know yet. I would like to see a pullback. Like I'm waiting for the market to kind of set out its footprint and kind of see what's going to happen. It's like I would like to get in net or Nvidia, but I don't know if it's time to get in Nvidia yet. Corey, good morning. Am I going to buy anything today? We'll see. I want to. RLP, good morning. Good morning. Oh wait, hold up. The cues seem like it's going off. Hold up. Hey, so that call that Derive had last Friday. Hey, that was on point, but the one it's talking about this morning, I'm not sure at the moment. Oh, it does say it's a swing though. Okay. All right, so it's more of a shorter turn. Okay, I didn't even realize at the beginning it says swing position. Okay, so it tells you how long it's supposed to be. I like to go for the position trades anyway. I'm not trying to go for the quick moves, so yeah, I'll hold on to this SoFi. Yeah, we'll. Here, let me look at SPY calls. I think I just want to grab one just to grab one. I feel like we might melt up. Yeah, SPY is going nuts. Good morning. I have a question I don't understand. If I sell a put and have made profit before the contract expires, are we able to sell and take? If you sell a put to take profit, you would buy it back. So you can take profit, but you buy it back. You wouldn't want to sell it. Yeah, so you can do that, but yeah, you just buy the contract back. Yeah, I want ups here. I'm gonna go down to a lower time frame. I'm gonna go down to like a 2. Cause I'm really just trying to get in. Hakeem, good morning, family. Yeah, SPY is kind of printing a little bit. I'm still trying to be responsible though. Like, cause it's like we got some stuff going up, we got some stuff going down. SoFi is coming down now. All right, yeah, the market's saying wait. I think, like, I'm bullish today, but it looks like it's trying to give us a chance to get a good entry. Good morning, big money today. SoFi trying to sell off. Yeah, that's fine. I think so. Once again, one thing that I'm kind of like expecting, or what typically happens during the week of Thanksgiving, the volume is low, but the market kind of has like a slow creep on the week. So if you can get like a what is it? Like a good entry in the bottom, if you get a good enough entry, you can kind of just ride it out for the week. So I'm trying to buy at a good level of support. I'm trying to see if we don't make a downtrend first today and close out the gap. Artemis made 175 off Tesla today, thanks to you. Small. Hey, that's a 175. I wouldn't say that's small. That's a decent. You can feed a lot of people with $175. You can buy some good gifts for Christmas with that. Do a lot of things with $175. Yeah. Yeah, SoFi is trying to sell off, but hey, we're cooling for now. Yeah, Tesla kind of had like a decent gap up. Great day, brother B. Good morning. Yeah, for real. Any gains better than none. All right. I'm like super FOMOing right now. I'm not sure if I'm on to something. Hold up. I want to kind of look at Nvidia and I want to look at AMD. Oh wait, hold up. AMD, look at Nvidia. So Nvidia is still going down. AMD is trending up. Like I'm really watching Nvidia to see if it comes back to this 137 first. But I really want to. Okay, it's like the SPY keeps popping, but it keeps dropping again. So yeah, that's telling me I don't need to be in. It's like I really want to be in something. Like I still have my SoFi calls that I think I might be down on now. But yeah, I don't want to just rush in. Can you look at it? Hey, yeah, we got the four charts now. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's actually go. Here we'll have the SPY up here, just so I can see that. Having video over here. Maybe I get rid of some of the. I'm gonna get rid of the volume for now. I know the volume's pretty low all week. All right, so you said, what is it? ACHR. You said after I get a chance to hold of my FOMO, yeah. I'm gonna have to, yeah, it's better for me to look at stuff. Okay, good little trend. Oh, we're on the 15. Yeah, got a good little pop of volume. All right, let's zoom out. Look at ooh, that's a nice looking chart. Got a nice little trend here on the 4-hour. Liking that. Quick look at the volume. Oh yeah. Looks like it has, hey, it's decent volume too. I mean, we're looking at it here at the top, but the trend is strong. Let's see if we can drop down to a 15, see how it looks. RSI is like super high though. Yeah, it might be time for it to like cool off and like retest. Oh, because on the 4-hour, the RSI is it's at 91. I mean, of course it can keep running, but I would want to like see the RSI like more in the 50 range when I was buying. If I were trying to go for upside. Master ERC, good morning. You say own 500 shares at 6. Think of selling. Oh, yeah, that sounds beautiful to me. So, yeah, right now, You might even be able to sell like $7 covered calls, make a little extra off some $7 ones. Then say you ride it back to, there might be a little steeper. So you have this trend line that it'll probably pull back to, but also it looked like it steepened over here. So kind of depending on like what time frame you want, you might be able to sell in the money, wait for it to kind of like come back, because it'll probably come back to this trend line over here. But yeah, that's a nice setup right there. I like it, Tatiana. Love it, actually. Does it make sense does it make sense that the market needs to push RSI levels down? Yes, that does make sense. All right. Yeah, 100% here. We'll pull the SPY back up on this one. I know we have it on up here, but hey, let's throw Tesla up there or something. Yeah, it's like that's one of the things I was waiting on, like for the market to kind of do a little bit of selling off. Because it's like I would expect it to continue moving up. But also kind of need to come down. How do I feel about so that's something I want. I want to see if we can get a close of this gap first down to 596, 597. But I want a call on the SPY for the week, because typically, okay, Tesla has closed this gap. So if Tesla is going to go up more, it can do that now. But yeah, the markets typically melt up like slowly during the week of earnings, or not earnings, of Thanksgiving. You usually get like this slow creep throughout the week. So let's go back to 15 on Nvidia. Let me fix that one. I don't like saying that. All right, so we're getting a little sell-off now. All right, so SPY is back at the 13 EMA on the 15. Let's see if we can come fill this in and sell off a little bit. Okay, I've got Archer Aviation in my Roth IRA. It's the second best performing. Hey, nice. I had no knowledge of it until y'all kind of did y'all's thing, but hey, good to hear. Okay, Nvidia is approaching that. Here, I was really wanting to see it at that. Oh, hold up. There's a trend line here too. Let me zoom out on Nvidia. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna watch Nvidia on a 4-hour. I would love to see it. Like it's approaching that 137, but this like 136 and 136 would be even better. So I'm really watching Nvidia. I would like to scoop something up around that area. Let me see what their calls are going for. Let's go. Oh, 142 calls aren't that bad on Nvidia for the week. I might be cool with that. Yeah, I'm gonna get two right now. I might be a little early, but yeah, I'm gonna scoop up two. I paid 84. So now I'm in here. Let me take this and move that. Yeah, I'm in right here. And now I can sell out of one when I want, and yeah, we'll see what happens. First target is I would probably look for something like that. But yeah, I like that. Let me share that with the Discord real quick. All right, so let's share that with the Discord. Hold up. All right, let's see. Everyone, just wait. Yeah, just picked up 2 NVIDIA. What was it? 142 calls for, what was that? November 29th. Paid, I think it was like 84 per share. Let's see. Reason for trade. Buying at support. Planning to hold for some days. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna go on and just share that. Then we got there we go. Got it all shared up and stuff. We'll see if we. Hey, that was, as of right now, that was the bottom, but we'll see what ends up coming of that. But that's pretty cool. All right, so let's see. Quantum stock, yeah, they really are. They really are. Quantum stocks are starting to kind of go what we used to say back in the day. They're starting to go ham. Let's see. It's crazy that I'm old enough. Honestly, this would be a good, just fun one to pick up. Hold on, let me. Honestly, hold on, let me look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, there's a good little trend on it. Let's see. But I like the steeper. I'm gonna add an alert on this trend line. And I'll have like $10, or not $10, but I might pick up 10 shares whenever. Like if we get a pullback to that. That's on a 4-hour chart though, so it'll probably take some time for it to pull back to that, but I'm watching out for that. For sure. All right, so NVIDIA's up 20%. Not too bad on that. All right, so let's see. Derive is saying, yeah, I did see that. So we'll watch out for that. I feel like it should be a good week, but we'll have to watch out for that on Derive. That was Philip. That was a swing trade, right? Because the swing trades are shorter term, like they're shorter. They're shorter term than the position trades. So I personally like the position trades, but I don't know. Like I still need to, like, I wanted to make a video about the screener, but I need to mess around with it more first before I start saying like, oh, this is the cheat code. But it seems like it is. It's just I need to understand a little bit more. SPY pullback won't short because it still looks. Yeah, yeah, it still does. Like, it's still coming up. one thing I would expect is for the week, I would expect it to continue to ride a trend up. So that's something I would kind of expect to go on. Let me go back to a 15 on NVIDIA. Let me slide this over because all right. You said why not a higher call for NVIDIA? What do you mean, like when you say higher call, do you mean like a higher strike price, or what do you mean by that? All right, Chase, good morning, family. AMD, SPY 600, SoFi, NVIDIA sold out of the SoFi call. Hey, love to hear it. Hey, that's what's up. Got the NVIDIA call with you. Done for the. Hey, you said 700 missed out on make. Hey, that's okay. Hey, 700, that's not bad. Yo, I used to make that in a week of overtime when I was working at Amazon. So, hey, that's cool. Let's see. I was looking at the QB. Ah, yeah. Sometimes, like when it's low like that, sometimes you just go in and like it's like you can go in with a little bit, but oh. Good morning, Dorothy. Matthew, how long are you gonna be? Depends on NVIDIA, honestly. It's like I would like to hold it for the week. But yeah, it just kind of depends. But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna hold it for the week. But I got two, so I'll probably end up selling out of one and then holding on to the other. But yeah, don't get me wrong though. It's like Nvidia, the calls are already up 15%, so yo, profit is profit. So yeah, it's like it's never it's you can take profit on it now. 58% gains on Palantir there. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. That's what you call beating the bank right there. Honestly, if you make even 1%, you're beating the bank. Most banks. Some banks you gotta get like 5% to beat them. But oh, you say yeah, strike price. So I got that strike price because it's like I'm just looking for the strike prices to be under, or I'm looking for the contracts to be under $100. So ideally, I would be as close to the money as I could because those contracts are going to move more for every dollar that it moves up. So I'm actually kind of pleased with the contracts I got on NVIDIA. I think they have really good potential. But yeah, I think we'll ultimately just need to wait and see. And Philip, depending on when you got, or depending on when one would have taken that QQQ trade, yeah, the Qs have already made like a decent move. Like, yo, they were up at 511. They ran down to 507. I would say that trade has kind of, to me, it's like, oh yeah, that trade has kind of played out. But to me, it was also just like, oh yeah, I still need to watch for the lower time frames because position is like less or not position. The swing is less time. Still supposed to be about a day and a half to 3, but it's like I feel more comfortable with position. Oh, you said now the screener just popped out of. Oh, hold on. Let me see. I might be down for that. Hey, I might. Yeah, because I was wanting one. Let's see. All right, so here, let's go ahead and refresh. Oh, it has an NVIDIA call. Oh, that's for next week. A 148. I hope we get our NVIDIA move this week, but hey. Yeah, I'll take that spy call. I'll take a spy call. It's a 611 for next week. Yeah, let me get a little time so I feel chill about it. So December 6th. Oh yeah, I'm gonna grab that. All right, just that's just to satisfy my desire for a spy call because I want one. All right, so here let's go to the spy. Yeah, grab the call about right there. You upload or update the Discord on that as well. And it's like, honestly, now I'm chilling for the day. What was the spy? It was a 611 call for December 6th, and I paid 93 for it. So yeah, now I'm just let those kind of do their thing. Honestly, if I would have held those other calls that Derive called out, hey, it'd be pretty solid too. But hey, it is what it is. But once again, I'm expecting like a slow melt up kind of week, so it'll work out. Also, I'm not sure if I said good morning to Dorothy, so good morning, Dorothy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm feeling good about that. Let me update the Discord real quick. What is it, a 611 spy call? Expiring, what is it? Oh, December 12/6. Paid 0.93 per share. Reason for I gotta erase some of what I just typed. There we go. Gotta send a little picture. And let me make sure I copy that. There we go. There we go. Good stuff. Where are we at? Wait, something's not. I think I posted that in the wrong channel. Oh yeah, I definitely posted that in the wrong channel, but it's all good. Everyone's still tagged anyway. All right, so let's see. Palantir. Yeah, let's take another look at Oh yeah, we're up on our plays. Kind of scared to look at. Oh no, that's PayPal. All right, so Palantir once again retesting that high. I mean, it's already made it past this high, but it's retesting it again. Let's see how it's doing right here. Still like super oversold. Still got this gap to be filled down to 64, but you know, anything could happen. Whole lot of consolidation right here. Join that spy call with you. Hey, I feel pretty good about it this week. Yeah, so we got spy, we got Nvidia. Hey, shout out to Derive for the spy trade. Yeah. You said, is that call option on SPY? So I got a call on the SPY and I got one on NVIDIA. Lucky J. Oh yeah, you know we got a. Oh, we're still trying to sell off though. That's why we get time on our options. But here, no, we got to come through and let's see. You know, we're gonna shout out the good vibes today. Lucky J. All right, you said jumped on that SMCI call. Need more. Oh, hold up. Oh, you're making me nervous, Brian. Let's see. Yeah, they need more strength. Let's look at them on a 4-hour. Oh, hold on. Just so y'all know, my stop loss on the SPY is not that small. It would probably. I can't even see it. Need a bigger screen now. Yeah, that would probably be my stop loss for the SPY, and probably be looking for it to go a lot higher. But let's see. Mick Lieutenant, yes sir. 81 watching and 18 likes. What the? Oh, hold up. Oh yeah. Hey, make sure to smash the like button. That ratio is low key kind of nasty. That's like saying, yo, people are here, but they're not enjoying their experience. All right, let's see. Yeah, we're doing some selling off now. Super oversold though on NVIDIA. SPY. I mean, you got some room to go. Yeah, SMCI is trying. On the 4-hour, the next from here, the next kind of supply zone would actually be up here at I guess like right below 50. So up to about 49.72 down to like this 46 range. It's kind of the next big sell-off zone. Would you pronounce it Jello? Oh, hi Matthew. This is my first time to watch you live. Hey, welcome. Yeah, this week is should be a chill week. Expectations are, I would say, kind of low. This kind of looking at things, expecting like a slow melt up on the week. Low volume, not too much really going on, but we'll kind of see. That QMCO thing, QMCO doing its thing, I also grabbed. What is QMCO? Is that more quantum? My goodness. Let me draw something on that too. See if we can get a pullback to its I mean, it's moving at a decent pace, but see if we can get a little. Yeah, draw something to that trend line. If we want to pull back to that, I might grab me a share or two. Is 30% a good level for stop loss for basic setting? I can always move it up. I mean, it kind of depends. Honestly, that depends on you, and on also the time frame. Like, yeah, it's gonna depend a lot. Because if you're trading like daily contracts and you set like a 30% stop loss, there's a good chance you'll get kicked out of a lot of stuff depending on how much you pay for it. It really just depends. It's kind of tough. He said, I think SPY is going to go down today. So I could see SPY coming in to fill this gap. I'm cool with it coming down as low as 595. But I think on the week, SPY is going to go up. So it's like I'm not just trading for today. Really, today I'm just trying to get a position for the week. I'm looking for stuff I can just sit in and ride because this week is just it's one of those weeks where typically where the market will just kind of just it'll seem like it's not doing anything all week, but it like just slowly creeps up. Typically, he said most of them they're going down today. So yeah, most of them I would say most of them are going down from where they started. But if you look at most of them on the day, like over here, just looking at the percent change, it's like the SPY is going down, but it's up like almost $3 a day. The Qs is coming down, but it's up like $1.50. IWM is coming down, but it's up. Here, let me go back to the 1 hour. But it's up like $4. Tesla's in the red. But yeah, most stuff is green on the day. Ooh, Bitcoin. Let me take another look at Coinbase. Okay. Mara is still up somehow. I would really like to see a pullback on Mara. Fate, keep an eye on the ticker. I think they're. Let's take a look at them. All right, so trending down, but they're at the 200 moving average. Also, slightly overbought. Let's see. All right, so they got a good little downtrend. I would like to see them more in the middle, but I've got them. I got it in my, like, kind of etched in my brain. All right, let's see. What was it's at IWM 4 hour. So this is kind of what I have for IWM on the 4 hour. And let me clear this old trade out. Tired of looking at it. All right, so yeah, they're pretty extended. They're currently oversold. This was kind of the trend line I had. They're crossed to the upside on the 4. It's like you would almost like to see them pull back because, yeah, they're over here. They're at highs for the year, I believe. Yeah, definitely highs for the year. So yeah, they're looking kind of good, looking kind of strong. But I wouldn't put them past them to keep moving. Oh, you said just my advice wouldn't promise. Yeah, there are no like promises in the market. I got you, family. Appreciate you bringing my attention to it. What was your Nvidia call again? I grabbed a 142 that expires this week. Paid 83 per share. Thought I paid 84, but I guess I paid 83. It's currently going for 88 per share. And you are welcome, Dorothy. Yeah, I'm gonna drop back down to a 1 hour. It's like I want to slow things down. I just don't want to move that slow on the 4 hour right now. So got some pretty low expectations for the market this week. For me, at least. But I do love seeing PayPal being the highest it's been all year, and Tesla is up pretty close to its highs too. Oh, you're welcome. Tone. All right. I'm not sure. Actually, I'm not sure if it's Tone or Tony, but you're welcome. All right. So I'm a little in the red on the SPY, but hey, we are still doing our thing. Kishindo, good morning, brother. Good morning. Happy to have you here. See if we see anything just interesting on these charts. Zoom back in on NVIDIA. See if I see any demand or anything, because, oh yeah, this looks like it could. Hold up, let's see. So there's like a little demand on NVIDIA on the 1 hour right here. Might have to go out to the 4, see if that's actually anything on that. Let's see. On the 4 hour, it actually comes down here. So we'll see. See if we can buy up from that. You said, do you teach option? Yeah, kinda. Is this a good time to get a? Honestly, I don't know. So when it comes to the crypto miners, I don't have them figured out the way they move. They don't move perfectly with Bitcoin. So it's hard to say when the best time to get it is. It's like really you just want to, like, if you get them, you want to get them on a good pullback. It's like I was personally looking for, like, first level I was looking was for this 1859. Unfortunately, I saw it there and I was like, oh, hold on, it might go to this one. And I didn't have enough to like get by here and here, so I was like, oh, let me wait. But yeah, it's up here. It's kind of at highs. I don't love buying stuff here, but it could move up. I feel like it kind of needs to pull back first. So in my opinion, probably not the best place, but it could be. I need to check some things. Oh, no problem, no problem. But yeah, that's just my opinion. Know that it could be a good time. It's like different people kind of see different things in their analysis. It's like once you're able to kind of analyze and form your opinions as well, hey, kind of a game changer. Low-key doing a little shopping right now. All right, let's see. Yeah, we're doing some selling off, but They just kind of like to scare people starting out the week. All right, so IWM still moving up. This might be the slow move winner on the week. So on the 5 minute, let me go back to the 5 on the SPY. SPY is about to get a cross to the downside on the 5. See if we can get a. This might be we might have got a slightly higher low on the 5 minute on Nvidia. Could be a potential reversal right there. Yeah, IWM looking nice and strong. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Yeah, strength is definitely beautiful. Oh, so yeah, SoFi would have been good to take like right at open, but I'm not necessarily looking for the turnaround today, but I'm looking. Yeah, once again, I'm just looking for continued strength. I don't know why people keep calling me right now. Here, let's see. Yeah, we're looking great. IWM is pushed up to 244. Tesla's kind of chilling again. Tesla's chilling right at support actually. Here. See how Tesla's looking. Yeah, so they came up to the top of this supply zone. They could sell off. Let's see. Could get a little double top action on Tesla. We'll have to see. Yeah, we'll give that one time. Oh, Tesla is below 250. What would your target price be for? So kind of depending on Nvidia, the time frame. But first level I would look for would be 138.32, then probably 140.52, then kind of 142.20. That's just kind of what I would try to look for. Those are the levels I would look for today. If you zoom out, give yourself a little more time on Nvidia. First level would be like 142. After that, I'd probably look for about 143 and close to 144. But we'll kind of just have to see where we close out today to see if I look for more stuff after that. But yeah, that's kind of where I would look at. I'd probably like look to sell out of one of them around like 142. I would imagine that one would probably pay for the other one and probably give me a little bit more by that point in time. So that's what I would hope for and what I would look for. Or that's what I'm hoping for. All right, so on the 5 minute SPY is approaching a supply zone. So this could be an area it sells off from. Kind of just depends on how we take to it here. And go back to Nvidia on a 5-minute. Yeah, Nvidia is kind of just chilling. Remember, volume on things is low today. It's probably going to be low for the week. So it's not going to be as hard for them to manipulate and move the prices and give us crazy swings. So don't be surprised by anything. Expect the unexpected. Brian, what is it? They're putting out a position put trade for Microsoft on it's a December 13th put with a 385 strike. Just wanted to share that with you. Let's see. All right, so let's see if we can make a new high on this SPY right here. He said, "Yeah, Microsoft beating me up like Jay." Oh my goodness, my goodness. He said, "Beat me up like Jake Paul." Hey, you need to swap that Microsoft out for IWM. IWM trying to treat you right, man. All right, let's see what Nvidia is doing. They're doing a whole lot of consolidation. SPY looks like it's not quite ready yet. Not quite ready yet on the SPY. Oh, the Palantir sold back off. Hold up, let's see. All right, so Palantir is approaching this 200 moving average, but also we were looking for Palantir to fill. Like there's a gap down to about. Here, let me move this line. I'm not sure if I have an alert on it or not, but yeah, let me add an alert on that line. Looking for Palantir to fill in this gap to about 64. Yeah, we might be coming back for some more downside before going up. Might have to give it up to a turnaround Tuesday to bring us up. All right, let's see. It looks like we don't have any data or anything that we're really waiting on today. I haven't really got any news headlines. Just kind of in a weird area right now. Okay, so SPY, we got a little pullback. Let's see if we put in a lower low. Yeah, we got one on NVIDIA. Made a little bit on Ford. Okay. Were you writing that down? Is that moving down? I don't know. Ford's moving up. Okay. Ford trying to be different today. Okay. Oh yeah, Sergeant Boss Hog said everyone hit the like button. Hey, we're looking a lot better than we were earlier, so yeah, I'm cool, but go ahead. I will not be mad. Yo, it's so dark in my room right now. Oh, Nvidia is once again chilling in this demand zone. As long as we hold up, I'm feeling all right on about Nvidia. So Nvidia here, if we hop back up to a 4-hour, oh wait, wrong chart. We hop back up to a 4-hour, it's at a 200 EMA. So we got a demand zone here, this 200 EMA. Those are like kind of reasons, like strong reasons to go up. So it's like I would expect from here, it's like it may not happen today, but honestly I would target this 143.41 level on NVIDIA. I think that would be above where the break even is on the contracts I got. So if it wants to make that move this week, that would work out. Yeah, but Tesla's selling off. So it's back below 250. I think I had support was 253. So honestly, below there, you would have expected them to come down. So Tesla, they could kind of go down. I would say from here, the next level, you kind of, I mean, they have some support at 244, but that little range, if they like really head back to the bottom, you look for like 235 or so. My. Oh, Spy. Hey, Spy is trying. It's trying. I commend the Spy. And it looks like Nvidia is trying to. Trying to find another. Let me take a look at AMD. Coinbase still holding up. Ooh, Apple. Hold up. When did Apple get above 230? Let's take a quick look at the PCE. So right now we're at good levels for them to actually, they wouldn't care if they sold the market down from here. Need some people to get some put protection. All right, I'm gonna jump back up to a 15. Yeah, I think I like the way things look on a 15 a little bit better, actually. How often do you go live? I go live Monday through Friday if the market's open. Hey, don't try to come here on Thursday though. I will not be here. What was I going to say? How often, or you said, do you talk about your trades daily in your Discord? So there's like two sections of the Discord. So, the paid section, yeah, I post when I take trades. And the other section is like, it's just good for a community. And like the free section, everyone has access to the community and everything. So feel free to join if you want. But yeah, usually when I post like a swing trade or anything like that, I usually post it in the Discord. All right, so yeah, IWM is looking amazing. All right, Palantir looks like it's finding a little strength. The SPY still kind of chilling. Nvidia looks like I guess it's technically higher than it was when I bought it, so that's looking good too. It's looking like it's kind of finding support right at this 137 level on Nvidia, so that's good. Did you read Trump's new commerce? So I didn't know about his holdings, but I knew he had a new pig. But yeah, no, I had no idea about that. So that's interesting. Appreciate you sharing that, Skittles. Jesse Lass. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to the stream. Since you're just getting here, just want to put you on with some kind of expectations for the week. This is Thanksgiving week, Black Friday week, all that stuff. So typically on this week, the market it'll typically just kind of melt up slowly. It'll move up slowly, and it'll seem like pretty boring to watch. It'll seem like nothing's going on. But then when you look back at the week, you're like, dang, we kind of moved up a good amount. And then also, there's not really typically much volume, so it's also pretty easy for them to take the price and manipulate it if they want to. So just kind of be on the lookout for those things and be aware of those things. There are less people trading in the markets this week. A lot of Wall Street has gone off on vacation, so yeah, just be aware of that. And also, while you're in your awareness, be sure to smash the like button. Is there a link for us to join live every day, or just go to your... So I don't have like a designated link that there is like every day. Like sometimes I'll post it in the Discord, but I think it's usually a different link every day. I'm not 100% sure. No problem, Jesse. And melt up daily or melt up over? kind of melt up over the week. Yeah, I would say melt up over the week. That's why my goal today was to kind of just get in on calls where I thought support was. And, I'm hoping to just ride them this week. So I got that single SPY call, but it has time, and I got those 2 NVIDIA calls. And then I also have a call on SoFi I'm in from last week. And then we just kind of let them do their thing. Let's see. Half day, Friday, even worth. In my experience, no. Like, I would say enjoy your day. I'll probably be here for like maybe the first hour, but just know that half day, it things kind of go, they kind of occur at an accelerated pace. So it's like the first hour of the market what typically happens in the first hour might happen in the first 30 minutes. And when the market kind of chills out and just dies out, like there's not typically like some kind of like huge end of day move or anything like that. It's kind of like it just closes, and it's really weird. And like if you have any contracts that expire that day, that's weird too, because you might be thinking the market's supposed to be open all day, and then they just close them out on you. So half days are usually pretty good to not. Hold on one moment, trying to respond to someone in the Discord real quick. All right, got that response in. Just wanted to make sure. Dang, IWM is a banger today. Okay, Nvidia's trying to wake up a little bit. Just a little bit. Nothing like exciting, but hey, it's trying. All right. Let's see. I need some advice on being disciplined with options. Question mark. Honestly, hey, all I gotta say about being disciplined with options. Hold on. Is this? Oh, there we go. Yeah, all I have to say about being disciplined with options, I'm gonna say the more disciplined you are in life, the more disciplined you are with your options. You're a fountain of knowledge. I appreciate that, Skittles. Oh, sure. Sir Swing, what's up? Appreciate that. Also, by the way. Yo, I'm like monitoring the stream on my iPad. It's kind of messing up. Y'all let me know if it's still working for y'all, but tripping on my iPad a little bit. All right. Worth selling safe covered call on Nvidia for this Friday. Hold up. Let's go over that. So I'm not sure if you were here earlier whenever Tatiana kind of went over her cover call situation, or if you can like go back in time and kind of look at that. But I would say that is the perfect situation for I would say that's the perfect situation for selling a cover call. It's like it went on a recent run, and then it's like it's oversold on the RSI. The trend line is like really far from the trend line, and it's like, yo, it's time for a pullback, and it's coming. That's when you want to sell covered calls. In my opinion, like the time to have sold a cover call on Nvidia is like you could have sold over here. And then also if you were somehow able to get in up here, but Nvidia is kind of curling up. It's at a level of demand, and it's also at the 200 moving average. So you would expect a move like this on Nvidia from here. And like a lot of people, it has like a $65 price target. So a lot of people are thinking next week or after that, it can go up to 165, 170. So this, in my opinion, this is how you get destroyed. I would say maybe around that 170. Like if you notice it kind of consolidating, you might be able to sell a cover call there. But in my opinion, this is kind of where you go to like lose out if you do that. That's just my opinion though. But here, let me see if I can. I don't remember what the ticker was that Tatiana had earlier. Here, let's see if we can find it. I think it was this one right here. So looking at it, this is the one Tatiana says she got in at like $6 or whatever. So yeah, she had an average cost of $6. If we go to a 4-hour, it had like a nice little trend. So it's trending like that. So you look at it on the 4-hour, it's like, yo, it's running. It's pretty far from the trend. We had noticed that, hey, there was a slightly steeper trend as well. All right, here, let's move that a little bit. Slightly steeper trend. So that kind of helped decide, where are we going to do it at? But going on, you can see also on the RSI, it's like oversold at like 90. It's like 70 is considered oversold, but usually like once it starts getting above 80, it's like, yo, that thing is oversold. So it's like up here, there's the ability to, honestly, I think it was right here at about 730, but I was like, I would like sell like cover calls that are in the money. I would sell for like $7 and get like, depending on how much time you're looking at it, if it consolidates to it like over here, or if it pulls back or anything, yo, that's money. So that's kind of how I was looking at it. What are we looking at down here? Oh, we were looking at IWM. All right, so is Meta trying to... let's take a look at Meta. So, okay, so look at Meta right here. All right, so I don't know if y'all are watching my watch list, but I've had this kind of called out for some time. So I think we found this trend. This is a 4-hour chart. Probably we found out this was a trend probably like November 11th. It's somewhere in that range. So every time we've kind of come up here, we've been getting batted down. I'm personally still looking for Meta to come fill this gap before I get upside, but like we want to get a clean break on this trend line before we really try to play any upside. So yeah, notice every time it comes to this trend line, we're selling off strong. So oh, that's all I really would have to say about Meta. Like I really want upside on Meta, but I'm really trying to hold out. Like you see there's this gap from like September 18th to September 19th that Meta has. Issue Skittles should have sold cover call at. Yeah, that would have been nice. It would have been hard for you to get that in all honesty, but yeah, oftentimes if you're at like an all-time high, you have a better odds. If it's like your first or second time being there, you got like a better chance in those situations. So yeah, Meta got rejected even on the 15. Thanks, I have a bunch of 8. Oh, are those the shares we just looked at? Let me see. Oh, yes, yeah. Dang. I don't know what I just heard, but I just heard something that sounded. I don't know. It's windy out here. Or it's windy over here. Yeah, so once again, I'm looking for like a slow melt up on the week. Go back to the 1 hour. You can see the SPY right now kind of respecting this 1 hour 13 EMA. It would be nice to get like a quick week down to this I don't know, like 596.50 level, just so we can like fill that in, and there's no like we're not really looking for that gap fill anymore before it continues up, but ultimately we'll just let it do what it does. AMD. So yeah, we took like a little look at AMD earlier. It's kind of moving up. Still got like a gap to be filled at 138. We have this little 48 EMA right now that is not getting above yet, but yeah, it might almost be time for AMD depending on how it holds up here. So we had a low, we got a high, got a slightly higher high, and like depending on which low you're looking at, the low over here was higher than this low. So we could be getting ready to change course and kind of change the trend on AMD, which is very much needed for AMD. I don't see AMD getting too much lower than this. And also one other thing is looking at AMD. I think here, let's go to the weekly. It's the weekly chart on AMD, and if you go back to October of 2022 when AMD was trading at $51, this weekly trend line AMD has been respecting. Every time it's touched this trend line, it has gone up. But we also have a trend to the downside on AMD dating back to March of this year. So if we look at AMD, it's currently in a little like pennant formation. So I'm not sure if we completely got the touch. Maybe that touch is valid. Maybe we come test again. But should we say we like kind of went crazy on AMD this week, the level to kind of watch for would be probably about 160 on AMD if that were to happen this week. And then above that, you would look for about 170, then 187. Then you'd be looking for this 207. But yeah, AMD definitely has some work to do. I would say like stock wise or like looking at the fundamentals of the company, hey, it looks solid. But yeah, right now definitely has some work that needs to be done. All right, looking at NVIDIA on the 1 hour, it's still kind of stringing black candles, but you can see that, here, let me clear that out. You can see that it's kind of losing steam. Could be getting ready for a reversal. Let me go back down to a 1 hour. Let's bring IWM back up. Yeah, IWM kind of is going loco right now. Hey, no problem, Dorothy. Hold on 1 second. I gotta find the video to share with somebody real quick. All right, let's see. Are you still in on SoFi call? So yes, there was a point it was up like, I want to say like $30 or so today, but yeah, I'm still in it. If I had to guess, I would say it's down right now. Let's see. SoFi. Oh, it's up $1. Yeah, I'm still in the SoFi though. How does ACHR look like? We already kind of looked at it. To me, it looks like it needs to pull back, but it's still kind of moving up. This is what I see on ACHR. Like it's kind of going crazy right now, but I don't think it will last too much longer. Here, let's see. We got some fact of the day. Archer Aviation shares increased by 46.96% after Needham analysts insisted coverage with the buy rating. Kind of looking at the news. Here, let's see. Yeah, I don't know. But it looks bullish, but it looks like it needs to pull back. But that doesn't necessarily mean it needs to pull back today. So try not to get too caught up with the timing. Yeah, because IWM's kind of showing the same too. Yeah, SPY is hugging this 598 level. And Nvidia is almost hugging this like 137.50 level. Tesla's back above 153, so it's back above that support that I called from this morning. AMD looks like AMD's moving up. It should be back above that 200 we looked at. What do you think about a Dell call way out of the money before? So when it comes to playing, I don't know the fundamentals of the company like well enough to have like an opinion on like calls and puts. But when it comes to playing earnings, I don't love the idea of playing it going ahead. And then also, I would prefer to go for something like that when it's like pulled back to a level like this. Like if it were at 133, I would love the idea of going for like a 146, but it's kind of like at a high already. So it's like I don't love it. Let's see like where the IV is for the contracts. And you said for like next week. You said like 160. Oh, those seem like that's a lot more than I would want to pay for something like that personally. But like if you look at history, let's see. So they had earnings over here. Here, let's zoom out to like look at their history of earnings moves. So they had earnings here. They went from 78. That was a huge move. That's over the span of a week, but that was a big move. Earnings over here, they dropped from 180 to about 132. Oh, so kind of like looking at things. If I were trying to play, like if I were looking at earnings and I'm not sure about what's going on, I see this trend on the weekly that it would respect. If it were down here at like 100 for some reason and it had earnings coming up, yeah, I would take my chance. I'd be like, oh yeah, every time it's here, I'm going for that. But just for me and just because I don't know much, that's just something I would wait until after earnings for. But I think what was it you had one on Sony. I mean, I didn't know too much about it, but yeah, the Sonys look like they hit. So there's potential, but I don't love it. Let's see. Brandon, good morning. It's safe to say the market is a little. You could say that. It's like I'm still like waiting on the market to just like I would imagine the market just slowly melts up this week, but I'll say the market's not doing much of anything right now. It's like the market likes to make a lot of its moves after hours, and then during the market likes to chill. This week we're not going to have a lot of volume, so it's like I wouldn't expect too much from the market. Good morning. What do you think about in phase? Let's see. I mean, it's in a downtrend. It's in an uptrend and it's in a downtrend at the same time. So kind of depending on what time frame you're looking at. I think like long term, I like it. It looks good. Oh, hold up. Long term, I like it and it looks good. But shorter term, I don't know. Like I don't have too much of an opinion about this. This is historically this is a good level of support, or like the $60 level is a good level of support. But yeah, right now it's working its way up. Looks like on the 1 hour you have something like maybe something like that. Or let's see if we can try to. Oh, so it's kind of overextended in my opinion on a shorter time frame. So I would like a pullback, but it's going. Like if you wanted to like look at it on the 5 minute, try to ride the trend. It hadn't even pulled back. Maybe you could even look at it on a 2 minute. Yeah, it's still like running above its on the day. This 13 EMA is going crazy kind of. Might even be able to go to on 1 minute. Yeah, so right now today is super bullish. So that's what I see on that. Let's see. Do you think the SPY is on a downward trend right now? Depending on what time frame you're looking at here. I know the SPY is up here, but I'll put it on this one. So something that needs to happen with the SPY, it needs to come fill in this gap. Doesn't need to happen right away. So like it doesn't even need to happen this week, but it would not surprise me if we came and filled in this gap. On the 1 hour, still technically in an uptrend, and it's just riding this EMA. So this could be a level of support. But honestly, I would say kind of below this 159 or 197.50 area. It's probably coming down to. Oh, that's not that much lower. I think the gap's filled at about 597. So it could make a way lower, but when it comes to SPY being on a downtrend, I wouldn't. Other than like the lower time frames, I wouldn't call it much of a downtrend because even on the 15, it's at support. On the 10 minute, like it's moving down, but not like at a crazy pace or anything. Understood, and yeah, Sony played it 110% before. Hey, yeah, that's some good profits right there. Rum, honestly, I don't really have much to say. You know, Rumble is a platform, but I would say it's kind of like just hyped right now. I don't really know. I think it kind of depends on where things go. It's like small caps, they're going to do well with the presidency, but I don't know. Right now it looks like it's getting into the overextended area, but it could definitely push up more. But this is one I feel like there are a lot more stocks that I would have a much higher conviction on before I got in this one. But this will probably see some upside over the longer term. But just because people are, right now, just because people are, hopeful. Yeah, we got a lot of stocks kind of going off today. Whole lot of green. Thinking about seeing where Nvidia goes with Euro market close and taking profit. Hey, yeah, nothing wrong with taking profits. I wouldn't expect like too much volume to come in today, but we will see. Yeah, we got a few minutes left. I'll probably like take off after Euro market close because I don't know. I need to eat. My patience is kind of wearing thin today. I don't know. Sitting here just makes me I don't know. You're very welcome. All right. Oh, so we got NVIDIA. I'm gonna have to go up to the 4 hour on these. Hey, on the 4 hour, NVIDIA looks strong. So I like what I see on the 4 hour. So you got the supply or demand zone right here. You got your first low here. You got your second low. Honestly, I don't know how fast it would happen, but there's potential for something like this. I mean, I would target that one first, but there's potential for this. You said I sound tired today. I'm just chill. Like in my room, it's like right before the stream, it was all sunny and stuff outside, and then I don't know. It's like a few minutes before the stream started. You know, it's all cloudy and windy now. It's Texas weather. Palantir. What's Palantir doing? Let's see. All right, so it's back below that $65 level. Palantir is just doing all sorts of jumping around. Do you think SPY will go back up before? I don't know. That's why I got time on my contracts though. This week does not this. So let me say this. This week is probably not the best week to day trade because volume is low. Whenever volume is low, you're not going to get the price movement that you're going to like, or you're not going to get like this crazy price movement. It's a lot less traders trading the popular stocks, so price can be manipulated and pushed a lot faster and a lot easier. So be careful with the day trades, especially this week. Yeah, with this shortened week and this low volume. Running is a game changer. I need to run more to keep my mindset. I mean, yeah, honestly, yeah, it's kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie, running is still crazy to me. I do it, but it's crazy to me that people find joy from it. I just like to discipline myself. Like it's not just like I like exercise too. I try to be the best I can be, but running is just like something you can do and kind of track yourself and improve without necessarily needing other people and needing to work with other people's schedules. That's what I like about running, but it's also good. Like it's always good when you can do stuff with people, but it's just something that I can do and I don't need to rely on other people. Will QQQ go back to open range? Eventually. Will it go back today? I doubt it, but we'll see. 59 Fahrenheit in Vietnam. Humidity makes. Oh yeah, I know. I know. Yeah, that's not fun. 40. Oh, that's not fun. Let's see what it is here. It was like decently warm. Oh, it cooled off. This morning it was like 70 degrees. Now it's 54. All right. Like I legit put on shorts and a tank top this morning. Cause I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go for a run after this, and I'm gonna work out in a little gym over here, and I'm gonna be warm. But now I might put on some pants, and maybe I'll put on a shirt with some sleeves on it, cause yeah. It says it's partly cloudy. Conditions expected till 5 p.m. Wind gust up to 28 miles per hour, making the temperature feel like 40. And it's 50. Okay, so that's pretty close, Skittles, to what we're doing. He said, how's SoFi doing? Last I checked, we were only up $1 on it. Oh, wait, hold on. That's the wrong one. So SoFi, we're down $1 now. Yeah. So, yeah, down $1 on SoFi. 18 degrees this morning when I went to work. Where you at, Mass 3DRC? Wow. You know you've crossed into adulthood when you're having conversations about the weather. Oh, yeah, Nebraska, that's, hey, something different. I think I got people up there, though. Or not people. I guess you could say people. It's a family up there. They used to be my neighbors in Colorado. You said, hi, I'm new here. Are you using Derive AI? So I used Derive AI for one contract today. I grabbed it was like a 611 call on the spy. So yeah, we're kind of using it a little bit. Not using it necessarily for everything, but I wish I would have waited and done it for NVIDIA because I got a similar call to something that was on Derive AI with NVIDIA, but I did my own thing. But had I got the one that Derive had called out, I would have an extra week and probably be more comfortable. Derek didn't know you were in Texas, so am I. And by the sound of it, you live in, 100%, yeah, DFW. Yeah, what part of the DFW are you in, Darren? Oh, yeah. You know, we loving this weather talk. I might have to start giving weather reports when things get slow. But Sammy Miami, oh, okay, we got the handout. So my IWM don't want to be greedy. Hey, way to go, Mahishu. Way to go. All right, Derek Mansfield. Okay, that's what's up. I remember playing Mansfield in high school, like in the playoffs. I think there were a few Mansfield teams we played in the playoffs. All right, give us a wick at 596, and hey, honestly, that's what I want. That's what I would love. But here, actually, let's look at it like this. So go into the SPY 4 hour. Honestly, this seems like it's like so much space between these two, but it's not really that much space. Like this wick up here is kind of large, but right here you got we hit a low of 597.50. This isn't even like a full dollar below, and that would close the gap. Texas, yes sir. That's where I am. What software is this? So this is TradingView. Also, fun fact to anybody interested in TradingView, I think you might have about a week to do it, but right now they are offering their Black Friday deal. So depending on which plan you get, they have up to 70% off. So I got mine today. I paid for the year because I get all my alerts and stuff. If you're newer, it may not make sense, but I don't know, the longer you trade, the more you do yourself. It's a good deal. This is kind of the best time to get it. Let's see. There said, now when you start talking about how your birth site, oh no, is giving you early weather alerts, that's when okay. I've heard and seen jokes about stuff like that on TV and in movies and stuff. Yeah, I'm not quite there yet. Not quite there yet. But honestly, like looking at the science of it, I can see how like the inflammation in your joints and whatnot could give actual like weather information, because it's like if you think of the atmospheric pressure and whatnot, that could also apply to kind of what you're feeling in your joints. So it makes sense. You saw my trading view post this morning. Hey, I'm glad you see it. It's like there are some people who are asking about it, and it's like, yo, I was telling a lot of people, wait till they have their little sale, because I don't know, it's like the amount I pay for a year. I don't know, I think I paid like $30 more than the plan I was on, and for the whole year, and it's like I got the top plan. So what software would you recommend for? Uh, there's Robinhood. Robinhood has they have the Robinhood Legends now. I made like a video on my first impressions of it. But okay, Nvidia's buying up. This might be your EU close, European close, Philip. But yeah, Robinhood, Moomoo. That's kind of where I would say. What are the configurations for the EMAs, volume, and RSI? My EMAs are the 13. The blue one is the 13. The orange is the 48, and the purple is the 200. And the RSI is just the RSI. Like nothing special about it. And then volume, that's just volume as well. Like that's just the volume that comes on there. You said, yeah, I think it has something to do with the barometric. Yeah, 100%. Yeah. Hold on, let me take a quick look at the. All right, so back up again on those NVIDIA calls. Still down on the SPY, but we got time. Can you make money on Robinhood? Yes, you can make money on Robinhood. But you can also lose money on Robinhood, so need to be careful. All right, so looks like right now in the 15-minute. Oh, well, we don't have a complete change of character on the 15-minute, but if you look on like the lower time frames, or maybe you could say kind of depending. So like if you look at the 5-minute, hey, we got a change of character, and yeah, we're moving up a little bit. That's cool. What platform? This is TradingView. Yeah, that's what's going on here. We got the views being traded. All right. All right, so we just got our European close for the day. We're pushing back up on Nvidia. I'm liking to see it. Let's slide this over a little bit, just so you can see we're technically in the green. Yeah, looking good. Looking good. Riding IWM down to VWAP, and I'm out. Sold 3. Yeah, I think there's potentially a good chance you make money on that. That would be good though. That's an extra like 155. You can probably buy a good amount of those shares as well with that if you wanted to. So yeah, that doesn't sound like the worst to me. That sounds nice. I meant to ask what brokers do you use to make your so I use Robinhood and I use Moomoo. Average is oh yeah, cool. Yeah, that's nice. But yeah, that's nice. So that's exactly why you would want to own that many shares. I hope you make a bag, Skittles. I hope it opens down tomorrow. But also, this is kind of a slow melt up week, so we'll see. We'll see. And honestly, at this price point, Skittles, even if you do get exercise, that would be the perfect time to turn around and sell puts against it and run the wheel, just because it's not at a price where it's going to move crazy, and you can sell puts that are in the money and make more money off of it. So right now it's at levels where you can just kind of run it and make money from it. Okay, Nvidia is moving up now. Let's go back to the 1 hour real quick. Oh wait, that's a Palantir. Okay, yeah, this is looking like a good candle on Nvidia. Do you do yeah, stocks, options, all that good stuff. I mean, I usually like to hold my stocks, but so we took a look at Enphase. I don't really have many thoughts for them. I would say long term I'm bullish on them, but beyond that, like I don't have any short term trades or anything for Enphase. I would say over the long term they look like they're going up. They might have a pullback in the coming days, but not much to say. But I'm actually about to get off. I'm about to go eat, work out. Got some other things to prepare for, so that's going to be a day, family. I hope each and every one of y'all has a blessed day. I hope all y'all's trades continue to move in the direction they need to go. And yeah, let's get this bread, family. All right, you too, start swaying. All right, so yeah, that's going to do it for the day. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life.